Today, the 9th of January 2021, is a day that will go down history of Youth Department of the Mawlai Parish as a defining moment. It has sown the seed of hope for the youth of the area by launching the Youth Development Centre for the youth of the parish and others who would choose to visit it in the future. Moved by the plight of many youths in need of tangible help and guidance, the youth of the Mawlai Parish came together and with the guidance of a few priests and the assistance of former members of the Youth Council of the parish, they launched the Youth Development Centre in the parish. Present in the program today were Reverend Father Paul O. Lincott, Provincial of the Shillong Province, Reverend Father James Shilla, DYD Shillong, Reverend Father Marius Tauniba, Parish Priest of Mawlai, Reverend Father James Joseph, Assistant Director of Youth Centre Shillong, Reverend Father Daniel Kaji, Secretary to the Provincial, Shri Ronnie Waalang, former member of the Youth Council, Shri Sunny Karmaulong, Founder Director of the Emmanuel Coaching Academy, members of the Council and others. The program was chaired by the Education Secretary of the Youth Council, Ms. Riti Shabiam. The President of the Council, Mr. Lambert Karkamni, delivered the welcome speech, while the vote of thanks was proposed by Mr. William Dabyangdor Lamare, the General Secretary.
Ngipan bi jingur khu no ble tang bangim de kan pa de ku bo untre ya ki kam ko bi de ban le ble ai ki sap ki phong por ai phi ki samla jong ni ka parish ki sap ki phong ya ki bo mo phi pan I na ga ban ta ke jingur to jong ni ka parish ti phi pan kam ho ya ki ka sap ka jong phi ba khlem ka kan ye ki jing spoon ka jong phi ka bo phi ai ka loi na ga ban ta ki jing ba Mentari lapli ya kini ke Youth Development Center, but I begitu ke berung hapo, kinlong kita kibriu ke bayo ya kijing syai, but lo min na kata ke kamera, but kinlong ke kijing syai, kum ki klod bapunai, but irap lan ya kiwe ya gitu ki mampat tip, ki mampat chamkhang, but banmat ya kijing temen, ha kijing juki kum kibriu ki ba ide banyan. Ubriu yo I ya ke eke ki basya kaman. Kadba ublay wi ya ki eke ki basilendan ni ki breu kum ki samla mangi boro ni I ke eke ki bahakman juki ka basilendan ni mutip nomor kata kada ni IT ni om basakman shania ublay
sang samla Catholic Mawlai Parish kini kita jenam Youth Development Center kita jenam play perda dah kedak sound but kendai terik kelaleng kot arja arbuway dah kita play kijimut kiwani hapung inam jeliu ba ya kini likely kirong kiwa kini kikon sama kila ini kikon sama wenya kedak jengam kini kedak jauh kejingkerman Sang sama Catholic Mawlai Parish, but ke Youth Development Center kene kejingkerman. Pidei kejingkerman, jauh ki para samla ha kene Mawlai Parish, makam juru ha kajelaba Shillong. Pidei kejingkerman. But kene kejaga kene kita Youth Development Center kene kejingkerman nak lagi kun samla bakin yo ya terkabah kebentar. Ban pedi ialah kita kisap kipong kibau play ai ki hakacing kejongki wei tiga ni kepor kawa mangi in pecah cengai kemoi parai long in pecah cengai dah kejing kerman ngimlei bandu jing kerman wangi sedang mentah bat ngimya syadu kebokut kerpange ki bahalor kidan berbor engkat tepi ke jelaba Shillong karbai Father James DYD pat mengiru kom keseng selijan hi habis ke Parish ngidar dekat kan pawai mentah jengah wa sultanat syahat tu rata bagi kon semaki wan sakmat ban prisyang yang ini kebentar banyak
kikna kemoto jongki ban tip ban iye ban sakri mengin bu apa braket atau kisamlah narutai samlah bahkan dia kesen samlah jongi ke Kintit yaki para samla, kin iit yaki para samla, bat kin syakri yaki para samla. Batla ayini yaki toki tekniks kumno bangin yan ngin pentelun yaki neki kam kiba ka seng samla kala persang pansnam. Bat dei naga nega tau maomba kumpa pios me berbor kito kintin sky is the limit. Ngi kit pokbiang ikun samla joni bakin kerjok sya kata kesuin beneng. Bat sedang syuang nakikam kibarit baria kiba kila wilayah sandur wilayah plan hakine ki kenget nai kabang wilayah kendu ya ki kon samla pang kemi lemti bang kermen kaba kaseng samla mutakan de nadong syadong bat kiwe ki samla kin sampai kumbongi pada generis meneru bahkan kan salong ka model na gunta jong lai pusan kali ke Parish aga Shillong Archdiocese kabatin
try dan dekat tapi playban bor bor on ke doi ki pa berukut bersi bakoi